Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you all how we can recover permanently deleted data from our pen drive, SD card, etc. In this we will use a tool named Foremost. Foremost is a forensic data recovery program for Linux used to recover files using their headers, footers, and data structures through a process known as file carving. File carving is a process of searching for files in the data stream based on knowledge of file formats rather than any other metadata. Carving is useful when file system metadata is damaged or otherwise unusable. Although it's written for law enforcement use, it is freely available and can be used as a general data recovery tool. So let's get started. As you can see, I have connected my USB drive to my system. It's empty, it doesn't contain any files or folders. So let's get all deleted files. So first let's make an empty directory so that we can store our recovered data. Now let's type our first command to get the pen drive location. For that, type in the following command. Type sudo if you get this error. As you can see, it detected our pen drive. Mine is 32 GB pen drive. So let's copy the location of the pen drive. If Foremost is not installed on your system, then you can check my description for the installation command. Now let's type the main command to recover the files. -T is to recover all type of files. -I for input pen drive location. -V is to display the process. -O is for the output files. Let's locate the folder which we have created. Type sudo for superuser permission. As you can see, it started recovering files. It will take some time, it depends upon the size of the files. Now you can see some directory is created inside the folder. Let's wait for a while.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.
Press Ctrl+C to stop the running process.
Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold
These are the folders which contains data. In some cases the file will be read protected. Nothing to worry, just type in the command.
because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
-V is your username. Now you can see, we got our files. Like this, you can recover all types of files, without purchasing paid softwares. Like the video, if it was an useful tutorial for you. Subscribe to get more technology tips.